everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is turbulent out there. We knew this was coming, so this isn't a big surprise. Just wanted to jump on and do a quick video. We won't do an update on the portfolio today. We'll get one into that on the weekend. Everything is not looking good today, so it's probably better if you haven't looked at your portfolio yet, probably don't. That being said, I mean, if we knew this was coming, we knew we're in for a turbulent, probably few months, lots of stuff happening in the world, and we're seeing that reaction in the markets, definitely. Now, I just want to give everybody kind of a tip, and this is something that I follow, is just keep a level head. If you're planning the portfolio, I can talk about myself and my portfolio. It's a long-term hold, 5 to 10 years, so don't panic. The last thing that you want to do is make any rash decisions and sell off of your positions. If you have conviction to those stocks and to the companies that you're invested in. I am not making any changes, not going to make any rash decisions onto my portfolio. In fact, I actually took the opportunity to purchase a couple of stocks and shares at these prices because I know long term I'm going to still see the capital appreciation. So keeping a level head, added just a little bit to the portfolio. Nothing wrong with keeping a little bit of cash on hand. People always say cash is a position. This might be a good time to kind of keep a little bit on the side so you can see some value in some of these positions that you want to pick up. So let's just jump in quickly. I'll show you what I did purchase these last couple of days and to show you how on the portfolio to bring my average cost down on these, which was kind of nice to be able to do. All right, here we are. This is a Wealthsimple TFSA trade app portfolio. You can go into your activity settings and you can actually drill down and look at what you've some of the history of what you've done. So I've filtered it through to my TFSA and the buys that I've made. So I've made just a few over the last couple of days now. On February 16th, I did have a dividend come through. So I did have some money sitting in the account. I was able to pick up 4 more shares of the Slate office REIT. This is the real estate investment trust. This gives us our monthly dividends, which is nice. It would be nice to see with the volatility in the market, some consistent dividends coming into the portfolio as well. Picked up 4 shares, $5.11 each. So that kind of starts to bring our average cost down just a little bit, which is nice. And then today I did do a deposit for $200. VFV is down today. Obviously, that's the S&P 500. The VFV is the Vanguard index fund. And now I purchased just 1 share of that. This one is still pricey, but I've always kind of said my initial position to get in was about $99. If I could kind of keep that price, if I see that price come up, I will try and slowly add to my position because again, a long-term hold. So I didn't sell anything on this. I purchased 1 today. I got that for $99.52. So we're kind of basically even on this one. And then ETC, this is the evolved cryptocurrencies. If you're watching the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything is really pretty much down. Lots of uncertainty, lots of turmoil out there. But again, long term, I'm thinking 5 to 10 years, this is hopefully going to turn out to be a decent investment. It was down to quite substantially. Picked up 10 shares, $9.61. That's going to bring our average cost down quite substantially. So we're trying to add in that. And again, like I'm trying to keep is about 10% of my portfolio in that ETF. So just a quick little update with what happened. What I will do on the weekend. Tomorrow is Friday. It is a long weekend in Canada, so I believe the markets will be closed on Monday for Family Day. I think it is a Family Day in British Columbia. Not sure about Ontario. Maybe the markets are open. Haven't actually looked at that yet. I'm not going to really stress about the market right now. We are open again tomorrow for sure, which is Friday. I'll do an update over the weekend to show you how the portfolio did kind of over the week. Hopefully we can kind of see a bit of maybe a bounce. This seems what happens with the market. It's up, down, lots of volatility right now. So maybe tomorrow we'll see a bit of improvement on some of these stocks and ETFs. Let me know down below in the comments if you did any purchases today. It's always kind of interesting what people are doing in these times. Is definitely uncertain. So I will do an update on the weekend to see how the portfolio is doing. Thanks everybody for watching. I've started to share a bit more videos and a bit more personal information on the channel. So if you've made it this far, you want to learn a little bit more about me. I posted a video yesterday on some of my investment experience up until Wealthsimple. So if you want to check that out, I will have that linked up above. You can check that video out. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you aren't subscribed, the channel's growing, the community's growing, lots of awesome comments. Really appreciate it all. Check below, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It'd be great to have you follow along, and we'll see you all in the next video.